Welcome back to all my YouTube subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Now this video is about Magic Accessories. Magic Accessory has been launched since 2010. This version of keyboard allows you to change the battery. Whenever battery is low, just change the battery. Press the power button a few seconds to go into the pairing mode, and then wait for a while, and then you will be given the pairing code. Type in the pairing code and press enter, which is not shown in this video. Then for Magic Mouse 2, it requires lightning cable. You must connect the lightning cable in order for this mouse to pair with the device. Now, the problem arises with this Magic Mouse 2 is that when the battery is low, you need to charge it, you need the lightning cable to charge it. Now when you're charging your mouse, you can't use your mouse anymore. So what are you going to do? And this is when the Magic Trackpad comes into picture. The Magic Trackpad works just like the Magic Mouse 2 or Magic Mouse. You can click, single click, double click. You may even have this gesture for rotation, zoom in and zoom out. The battery is low, you change the battery. The other side, it's actually the power button. Click, hold the power button to pair it and click connect in setting Bluetooth. Then you go to setting again, click trackpad and enable tap with one finger so that you can actually you can tap with one finger or you can have the tactile click. And then at the same time, you may actually learn up all the finger gesture, zoom in, zoom out, rotation. Okay, it's really useful. And the Magic accessory like the keyboard and trackpad actually makes my table clear from any wires. There's no more wires. It's actually work with Bluetooth. It's wireless now. Who still need a wire these days, right? So I really like this setup. And my Magic Mouse 2, I will use it for my laptop. Yes, I still use the mouse, but for laptop, not for desktop. And another use of trackpad is when I need to present anything over the Apple TV, I can use my trackpad to help me move from one slide to another, zoom in and zoom out, and rotation as well. And that's why I find the trackpad really useful. Now, my channel, it's going to have membership soon. You may consider to support me so that I will be able to buy more devices and share it with you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. It is free. Thank you for watching. Bye.